Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
God, why is your sky depriving us of rain?
God, when will the thirsty land receive water? Why is it not raining?
Goat, get up and eat grass. I promise you I will bring water for you later.
We are bringing people closer to our enemy with our own hands. Every day more people are gathering around Imam Reza, like this drought is encouraging it. O Caliph, this problem can be solved in another way.
We will go out of town for rain prayers on Monday.
Abul Hassan has promised the rain. If it rains, the dead and barren lands will come alive.
Will it rain because of Abul Hassan?
He is the son of the Holy Prophet. I am sure that it will rain.
Told you there is no miracle, no special prayers. See, there are no clouds or air. Clouds? Clouds! Dark clouds!
I told you Imam does not lie.
Thank God my goat will remain alive.
Thank God, the barren earth is alive again.